This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Charlee Webb. Don't miss out on this cozy home in a great location with an oversized lot. 3-bedroom 2-bath split floor plan with an open living room and dining room combo. Have peace of mind with a newer roof, 2023, and updated kitchen, bathrooms, and floors. Enjoy over a half-acre close to the city for easy shopping, dining, and access to schools. For more information, review the details below or contact Charlee Webb at 888-668-8283.